trying to target an area smaller than 17 kilometers, but Facebook ads do not allow you to do so, you are not alone. It is common for a lot of advertisers. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you what is it all about, why you cannot target below 17 kilometers, what kind of location targeting there are in Facebook, and how to work around it so that you can reach the exact people that you want at the exact area size. So stay with me, especially if you're running ads for local businesses or service areas. Hey, it's Ken, your go-to Facebook ads expert. Now before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my computer and let me show you how you can set your Facebook ad radius smaller than 17 kilometers. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your ads manager. So you can just go adsmanager.facebook.com, and then this is the ads manager account. I can choose different ads manager. If you have many like me, you can just click on the top left, scroll down, and then just pick the ads manager. I'm just gonna use this one. This is my test ads manager. I do run ads here before, but that's for all the previous ones. Okay, so now let's create a mock campaign quickly. Okay, let me show you some of the reason why you are not able to go below 17 kilometers. So the first one, you can see at this left menu, there's three things, right? Which is campaign, ad set, and ads. So campaign is where you set the objective. I think this is quite clear and has been the same for many years. When you click on next, this is where you set the targeting. Okay, this is the one that a lot of people have a lot of comments on why we cannot go below 17 kilometers. Before that, we need to check on the location. So you scroll down, you can see here, there's locations. There are many different, there's advantage audience, there's original audience options. It all depends on what you want. Advantage audience is for them to expand on your existing search if it does not work based on Facebook metrics. But usually I like to switch to original audience option. But this is another video for another day if you want to look into it. But first, let's look into location, right? So how do you check the location? First, you click on edit, and then you can see, right? This is by country. I'm in Malaysia. So this is by country. So for example, if I were to type, country, so you can see that there's different things here, alright? There's city, Mukim is like a district, and then there's address. So you can see there's difference, alright? Let me just turn this off. So for example, when I type in the city that I live in, okay, you can see that there's city, place, and address. Now, that means there's a few things you need to look into, alright? In location targeting, there's a few different ways you can target in Facebook. You can target by country, you can target by state, you can target by city, you can target by place, target by address and district, even postcode, alright? So you can see there's many ways to target. And those that if you find it very difficult to go below 17, it's mainly because you're targeting a city. When you click on city, you can see that the minimum range, the minimum radius is just 17 kilometers. You cannot go below and up to 80 kilometers. Alright, so this is the limit if you're using city. Alright, if you type on current city only, that means they will only choose the city and you cannot choose the radius. So you can choose radius. Even when you choose state, for example, I choose a state. This is my state. Okay, county or state. Alright, when you click on it, you can see that there's no way you can choose the radius. The only way you can choose the radius is if it's city, address, place. But for city, the limit is 17 kilometers. So the 17 kilometer limit is only for city. You can't have a city which is 1 kilometer. Makes sense, alright? If you want to go to more granular, as in like, for example, back to just now the example, right? Cyberjaya, which is the city that I'm in. For example, I click here. So you can see that, oh my goodness, I cannot go below 17. Alright, so what can you do? One way is you can drop the pin. And when you drop the pin, right, you can see that the city is being removed because it overlapped. Then there's an option here for you to go up to 1 kilometers. Alright, to 80. So 80 is still the max. Okay, so if you want to have more 80, you can have multiple targeting. But when you put it in if you drop pin, you can see it's 1 kilometer. Another way you can do it is, for example, I type here Cyberjaya. I choose place instead of city. So when I choose place, so it's just different way. That's why if it depends where your location is, and you can see here, you can go up to 1 kilometers and all the way to 80. So it's less than 17 and more than 40. Alright. Next, apart from that, you also can go to address. Alright, now we have city. You try city minimum 17, place minimum 1. It depends on which metrics you use. I have a video to show you how to change from miles to kilometer depending on where you are. When you opt into Facebook, I think at first is miles, but if you want to change the kilometers, there's a video for that, so do watch out. So if you go to address, so you can see there's another location, right? Again, it all depends which location you want to target. So you can see here, you can go lower than 17. So the only reason why you cannot go below 17 is because you choose city. Other targeting, you can go below 17. So alright, in summary, if you cannot go below 17, it is because you target the city. I would suggest for you to drop pin, choose a place or choose an address. It's very easy. The same place, you can just target the similar location, then you can go below 17 already. You stuck in 17 because you choose city.